Hello students, this is your complex number system. Is it? So in the last class, we have discussed about the real number system. Is it? So in the last class, we have discussed up to this that so real number, what is real number? Reals. So this is the square root of all positive numbers. Is it? So किसी भी पॉजिटिव नंबर को तुम ले लो, उसका स्क्वायर रूट अगर निकालोगे तो ये एक रियल नंबर जरूर होगा. So this is the set of reals. This is the set of reals. Is it? But what about the square root of negative numbers? Okay, we have already discussed it on written form now, but now today we will discuss it in video form. Is it? So our today's topic, complex number system. So first of all, let us think the square root of negative numbers. What is the square root of -1? Actually, in high school stage, we were saying that square root of -1 is impossible. Yes, till now also it is impossible. Square root of -1 is unknown to us. But the thing is that square root of -1 is unknown. Square root of -2 is also unknown. Square root of -3 is also unknown. Square root of -4 is the same case. But the common thing is that square root of -2 is equal to 2 into -1 root over, and it is same as root over of 2, that is plus minus root 2 into root over of -1. This is same as root over of 3 into -1 is equal to plus minus root 3 into root over of -1. This is same as root over of -4 is same as root over of 4 into -1 is equal to plus minus 2 into root over of -1. And in this way, root over of -100 is again root over of 100 into -1 is equal to plus minus 10 into root over of -1. So root over of -1 is the common factor that is present in every square root of negative numbers. So square root of negative number is not creating problem. The actual problem creator is this root over of -1. Is it? It is present everywhere. So let us assume root over of -1 as a symbol. Okay, let root over of -1 is I, because root over of -1 must not be a real number. It is an imaginary number. And the first letter of imaginary is I. So let root over of -1 is equal to I, and in Latin version it is known as iota. The same meaning as imaginary, iota or imaginary. Okay, so let us take root over of -1 equal to, let root over of -1 is equal to I. Is it? So this implies root over of -100 is equal to root over of 100 into -1 is equal to root 100 is plus minus 10 into root over of -1 is equal to plus minus 10 into I, that is plus minus 10I. Is it? So root over of -100 is equal to 10I. Root over of -1 is equal to I. Root over of -2 is equal to plus minus root 2I. So every problem will be solved if root over of -1 is taken as I. Okay. Let's start. Is it? So can I erase it? So when we assume root over of minus 1 is equal to I, root over of minus 1 is equal to I, then after every problem will be solved, because root over of minus 4 is equal to root over of 4 into minus 1 is equal to plus minus 2, and root over of minus 1 is I. Is it? So square root of negative number always contains an I, that is iota or imaginary. Is it? So we get a new set, that is set of all imaginary numbers. Set of all imaginary numbers. Suppose this is the set of all imaginary numbers, capital I. It contains I or plus minus I, plus minus 2I, plus minus 3I, plus minus 1 by 2I, plus minus 2 by 5I, plus minus root 2I, plus minus root 2I, every square root of negative numbers. Is it? So this is the set of imaginary, and it contains all the numbers that is associated with, that is connected with I. In every imaginary number you will get I there. Is it? So what is I? I is equal to root over of minus 1. It means I square equal to what? Root over of minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1. So it is real, it is not real, imaginary, but this number I square is real because it is minus 1, and minus 1 belongs to your z set, and z set is the subset of real. So I square is a real number, I square is a imaginary number. I cube is equal to I square into I is equal to I square is minus 1 into I is equal to minus I to the power 4 is equal to I square into I square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So it is much better than I square, than any other numbers, because I square is real but it is minus 1, I4 is plus 1. So you have to target always I to the power 4. It is a very good number. I to the power 4, it gives you 1 to the subset of R. Is it? Okay. So if you are asked about I to the power 100, so I to the power 100 is I to the power 4 whole to the power 25 is equal to I to the power 4 is 1 whole to the power 25 is equal to again 1. When you are asked about I to the power 99, it is I to the power the just small number to 99, which is a multiple of 4. Onospodru sang hithiba aur 4 ra multiple hithiba. It should be less than 99, just less than 99, but a multiple of 4. It is I to the power 96 into I square into I to the power 1. 96 plus 2, 98 plus 1, 99. Why is I to the power 96? Because 96 is a multiple of 4. It can be written as I to the power 4 whole to the power 24. 24 is 96 into I square. I square is minus 1 and it is I. I to the power 4 is 1. 1 to the power 24 into minus 1 into I. 1 to the power 24 is 1 into minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. Is it? Sure. Confirm? Now it is. Suppose you are asked about 1 by I. What is the value of 1 by I? 1 by I is equal to 1 means I to the power 4 by I is equal to I cube is equal to I square into I I square means minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. Is it? So 1 by I is equal to I cube is equal to minus I. Is it? So now it is all about your I, imaginary or iota. Is it? Now we have a set of real number, that is this. This is your set of real numbers. Suppose it contains the square root of all positive number. It means it contains plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, 0, plus minus 1 by 2, plus minus 2 by 3, plus minus root 2, plus minus root 3. Okay, so all these are real numbers, and we have another number, another set, that is I. It contains plus minus I, plus minus 2I, plus minus 3I, plus minus root 2I, plus minus root 3I, plus minus 1 by 2I, plus minus 1 by 5I. कॉलेज वाले को पढ़वा के कॉलेज वाले यूट्यूब पे देना, यूट्यूब पे कॉलेज वाले এটা কথা বলা কথা কি পড়ে তো জান থেকে পড়ে যাচ্ছে না ফার্স্ট হ্যাঁ আর কিছু বলছে আরে আগে তো বলা কি করে আমাদের দেবে। Okay, so this is set of real number, which is the square root of all positive, and this is square root of all negative numbers. Is it? So there is no coincidence, no intersection between this set and that set. Sure? ठीक से देखो, दुनिया का सभी पॉजिटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट यहाँ है। यहाँ कोई भी नंबर में i अटैच नहीं हुआ है। जितना भी पॉजिटिव नंबर दुनिया में है, अगर उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे हम तो वो हो जाएगा रियल नंबर, रियल नंबर। ओके, उसमें आई अटैच नहीं होगा। दुनिया के जितने भी नेगेटिव नंबर्स के स्क्वायर रूट हम ड्रा करेंगे, वहाँ आई जरूर अटैच होगा, प्लस माइनस रूट 2 आई, वहाँ आई जरूर अटैच होगा। तो यहाँ का कोई भी नंबर के साथ कुछ भी कोइंसिडेंस नहीं है। सो इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दिस टू सेट्स इज ऑलवेज आई। श्योर, कोई भी नंबर कॉमन नहीं है दोनों सेट में, ठीक है। लेकिन कभी क्या हुआ, once upon a time a particular number comes from here, it is 2. Another girl, this is, suppose this is a boy, 2 comes from here, and another girl, 3i, comes from the set of imaginary. 2 belongs to set of real number, 3i belongs to set of imaginary. तो अभी तुम सोचो कि ये जो सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर है, ये एक कास्ट है, सोसाइटी का है, अपर कास्ट है। सपोज द टाइटल इज श्रीवास्तव। ओके, श्रीवास्तव तुम शायद नहीं सुने होंगे, सुने भी होंगे, और एक जो सुने हो मिश्रा। सपोज द टाइटल इज मिश्रा, and this society is, let us suppose this is pure vegetarian, pure, and this is another caste, suppose a caste like Maji. 2 from here and 3i from here. Let us assume that this 2 is a boy, young boy from this particular society, Mishra society, and this 3i is a girl from this Maji society. Is it? And if they married each other, then this couple must be called intercaste couple, because they married each other from two different castes. Is it? So we can say this intercaste couple. This intercaste couple cannot be accepted by this real number, and this integral couple again cannot be accepted by the set of imaginary. So हमको assume करना होगा कि ये दूसरा कास्ट है, ये दूसरा कास्ट है, ये मिश्र कास्ट है, ये प्योर वेजिटेरियन, ये प्योर नॉन वेजिटेरियन। इनका पानी ये लोग नहीं छूते, इनका पानी ये लोग नहीं छूते। लेट अस एज्यूम तो यहाँ का एक लड़का अगर यहाँ का एक लड़की के साथ वो अगर मैरिज कर लिया, ठीक है, तो इस मैरिज को हम बोलेंगे इंटरकास्ट मैरिज। तो यहाँ जो कपल है, ये कपल, ये बॉय, दिस मेल पर्सन इज फ्रॉम सेट ऑफ मिश्रा सोसाइटी, एंड दिस गर्ल इज फ्रॉम माझी सोसाइटी। तो ये जो कपल बने, इस कपल को ना ये लोग एक्सेप्ट कर पाएंगे, ना ये लोग एक्सेप्ट कर पाएंगे। तो ये जो नंबर बन गया 2 + 3i, ये भी ऐसा ही कुछ सफर करेगा, क्योंकि दिस 2 + 3i कैन नेवर बी ए रियल नंबर बिकॉज 2 + 3i मस्ट नॉट बी इक्वल टू 5। 2 + 3i, 2 और 3i मिलके तो 5 नहीं हो सकते। अगर 5 होते तो यहाँ आ जाते, अगर 2 और 3i मिलके अगर 5i हो जाते तब भी यहाँ आ जाते। ना ये 5 हो पाएंगे, ना ये 5i हो पाएंगे, ये ऐसे ही रहेंगे। 2 + 3i ना रियल हो पाएगा, ना इमेजिन हो पाएगा। तो जैसे कि सोसाइटी में इंटरकास्ट कपल को इनके लड़के के घर वाले भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, लड़कियों के घर वाले भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, यहाँ भी कुछ ऐसा ही है।